Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be discussing about multiplication and division of decimals by a power of 10. So let's get started. So here I have 43.36 into 10 and I am going to be showing you how to multiply this decimal by 10 or any power of 10. So we have 43.36, okay, and if we multiply this by 10, then the decimal point will shift one place to the right side because 10 has one zero. So the decimal point will shift one place to the right side. So then we will have 43.36 will become 433.6. So when we multiply 43.36 by 10, we will get 433.6. Okay, and our answer is right. It's 433.6. Now I know this was a little bit tough to remember that we have to shift the decimal point to the right when we are doing multiplication. So I have a mnemonic for you so that we can remember what we have to do when. So for multiplication we will shift the decimal point right side because our mnemonic is Mr. Deepak Lal, and in the Mr. it says multiplication right. Okay, so when we are doing multiplication by a power of 10 of a decimal, we will shift the decimal point to the right side, and when we are doing division, we will shift the decimal point to the left side. Okay, so let's practice some problems to get better. So here we have 43.36 divided by 10. Last time we had multiplied by 10. Now we have divided by 10. So let's do that. So let's write 43.36, and for dividing by 10, as our mnemonic says, Mr. Deepak Lal, division left. So the the decimal point will shift one place to the left side as there's 1 0 in our power of 10. So when we shift the decimal point one place to the left side, we will get 4.336, and that's our answer for this question. And we are right. We got 4.336, and the right answer is also 4.336. So here's another problem. So it is 36.862 into 1000. So our mnemonic says that when we do multiplication, our decimal point will shift to the right side, some places to the right side, and how many places, that depends on the number of zeros the power of 10 has. So here the power of 10 has 3 zeros, so that means the decimal point will shift 3 places to the right. So when we shift the decimal point 3 places to the right, which means when we have 36.862 and we shift the decimal place 3 places to the right side, we will get 36,862. And this is our answer for this question. So I am again recollecting the mnemonic. It is Mr. Deepak Lal, so which means multiplication right, division left. Now here's our next example. It is 5,72,537.258 into 10. And this time I want you to pause the video and try to do this problem on your own. Okay, I'm expecting you to pause the video, and now I'm going to tell the answer for this question. So here we have 5,72,000. So let me write it. 5,72,537.258. Okay, and now if we multiply it by 10, if you multiply this by 10, the decimal point will shift one place to the right side, since our mnemonic tells us that when we do multiplication, our decimal point will shift some places to the right side. And how many places? That depends on the number of zeros in the power of 10. So here we are doing multiplication. So again we have to shift it some places to the right side. I'm recollecting it again and again. So this 5,72,537 will become 57,25,372.58, since our decimal point has shifted one place to the right side. Okay, moving on to the next question. This is our last question that we are going to discuss today, and it's of division. So our mnemonic tells us that when we are doing division, we have to shift the decimal point to the left side, because Mr. Deepak Lal. So Deepak Lal, division left. So that's why we are going to shift the decimal point to the left side. That's a mnemonic. So 72.5 divided by 100, 72.5. So now if we divide it by 100, our decimal point will shift to the left side 2 places. So it will become 0.725. And that's our answer for this question. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.